In the heart of the African wilderness, where the sun beats down on the savanna, there is a tree that is destroying everything in its path. Fortunately, for the native grasslands and the endangered animals, this invasive tree has one amazing quality, in that it produces the absolute best cooking charcoal and wood in the world. Introducing African Charcoal Company, who has spent over a decade working with ecologists, engineers, and the local people to address this environmental threat and harness the unrivaled energy and flavor of this invasive tree. Our charcoal and cooking wood are unlike any product you have ever experienced. Long-lasting with its unique floral undertones, offering a truly exotic flavor experience. At African Charcoal Company, our products are more than just a premium fuel source. It's a promise of sustainability. With every purchase, you help rebalance the ecosystem, restore the native grasslands, and protect the endangered wildlife. Join us in this journey to preserve the extraordinary energy of Africa. Unrivaled energy, 100% sustainable, with the exotic flavors of Africa now available in America. African Charcoal Company. Best on the planet, best for the planet.